Rêve amoureux sont comme les bonbons, ils donnent de la joie. Why do I keep singing joie? It's joie. You think after 122 years of colonization I'd do away with Spanishisms. But nah, even now I'm still pronouncing like a paella-loving cock and bull fighting son of a bitch. Sup y'all, welcome to Channel Zorobski Chris Yule here, not expecting to do this the second time around. If y'all want my first DIY present wrapping video, I'll link it down below. Like I said, I didn't expect to make another one this year, but hey, new ideas just pop into my head, what do you know? Now, Crystal Cult and the uninitiated, y'all may be asking, why bother? Wrapping gonna get trashed anyway. Valid question to which I answer, presentation is extra mile. Why not show love that way and go recycle some scratch paper? My just is recycled, except for maybe one or two out of three. But I'ma get to it in a hot second. I'm a broke bitch, but I'm a broke bitch with loved ones, and how I show love is crafting up crap with materials on hand. Ain't that right, Miss Jasmine?
Okay, cheap and thoughtful, write a nice letter. If you express your emotions on a piece of paper, I'm sure if your mates have a heart, it would touch them there. Because sometimes it's not all about having money and buying a person a gift. It's always about just letting a person know how you really feel. Baby, you guys would be
Freaking.
BAM!
And speaking of beautiful written sentiments, I did that too. Let's get to it. My boyfie got something Nacho Libre related, so I edited this collage in Photoshop with PNGs off of the internet. Mostly free pick, but not sponsored by Tostitos. Printed that near marginless on long bond, wrapped it in twine, and made a card out of grid paper cause aesthetic. I'll post the collage edit later on my soch. And speaking of aesthetic, I've been saving this oldest ass legal pad for art journaling. It's not even yellow anymore, it's brown. Brown, thin, feels brittle, like it's gonna crumble at your touch, but no, it ain't. Picture something akin to brown packaging paper. Now, I got leftover DIY paper from last year, tore that up, and stuck it on one page. Washi tape to accent, then wrote my message for my beshi on these aesthetic sticker notes from stationery brand Mocard. Last one's for my brother's baby. She an absolute doll and been through one hell of a year. I went marginless on MS Word, then I got the lyrics of Le Festin by Camille from Ratatouille and edited it as a looping wall of text. But I also snuck in lyrics from CEO of Speaking French by LYA on TikTok, which is basically French sounding phonetic gibberish, which I'd rather have over boring lorem ipsum. Before painting, I tested printer ink on scratch paper, how it'd react to water. Saturated pictures would fade, but text wouldn't bleed. If they did bleed, it would be minimal bleeding. So after drying, I got the paper sopping wet and used yellows, oranges, fleshes, and pinks from my Symbolion palette, then soaked it again to remove most of the chalkiness. For her card, I folded a notepad paper and covered the front with all my Sakura-themed washi tape. The surface I worked on was acetate, so I could tape over it and peel it off once covered. Used my daughter tool so I could roll the card along the adhesive and help me pry it off the plastic. Then I flipped it over to cut off the excess tape and clean the edges. Punch a hole in the corner, add some twine, and et voila, a gift. And those are my ideas for Yule Wrapping 2020. Do y'all prefer my new ideas or my old ideas? You got ideas of your own? Tally ho to the comments below, just. Want gift ideas though? Visit my Redbubble for merch or in goodie. Stupid dog, you made me look bad. Visit my Redbubble for merch and goodies or want to give me the affordable gift of support? Head on to my coffee or follow my social for the low, reasonable price free. Subscribe to get crystallized and Merry Christmas or whatever holiday y'all prefer. And stay safe while waiting for them vaccines. Sweet Santa, give us some vaccines. Good night. Pride. deep love, pride, not my hole, not my throat. Whoa, 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 pride, not my dish. My crack.